You are going to listen to a 911 phone call. In this phone call, you will hear two people talking. The caller is the person who is calling 911 because of a medical emergency. The 911 dispatcher is the person receiving the phone call. They will ask for information about the emergency and send an ambulance to help with the emergency. After you listen to this phone call, you will answer questions. You can look at the questions on page 152 in your textbook while you listen. You will put your answers into the Google form here after you listen to the phone call. You can listen to this phone call more than one time to help you answer the questions.
Page 152, Exercise 2A.
911, what is your emergency?
I need an ambulance here.
Okay, where are you located?
136 Elm Street.
Okay, the paramedics are on their way. Can you tell me what's going on?
It's my husband, and I don't know, he's having chest pain, and he's sweating really badly.
Is he conscious or unconscious?
He's conscious, but he's having so much chest pain, it's hard for him to breathe.
Try to stay calm. You need to help him until the paramedics get there. How old is your husband?
58.
Does he have any ongoing medical problems?
Yes, he has diabetes.
Is he taking medication for that?
Yes.
Is he on any other medication?
No, I don't think so. Are the paramedics almost here?
Yes, help is on the way. You're doing great.